Okay, hi guys. So in this lecture, we'll be continuing on seeing the reaction of Grignard reagent with acid derivatives. Okay. So first, let me define what are good living groups in presence of CS3-MgBr. So good living groups in presence of CS3-MgBr. Those are ACetOET or COCS3, and then we have this one and this one. These all are good living groups. Okay, let's see some examples now. This one, if it reacts with CS3-MgBr, we get this as the product, in which, let's suppose this is in excess. First step would be, we have something like this. Again, this will take place and we will have again a ketone group here. As this is in excess, it will again react, the CS3 from the Grignard reagent will again attack on the carbon atom, and we would have something like this, Mg plus Br and CS3 and a CS3. Now suppose we also had an acidic medium, so this H plus will now come into the picture, and this H plus will now be attacked by oxygen atom, and we would get something like this. This is the final product. Okay, this was the first example. Here we have the second example, wherein we have something like this, ester group. Again, with the ester group, we are having CS3-MgBr in excess quantities with a acidic medium. What will happen again is, it will directly attack on this carbon atom, CS3 Mg plus Br will not be there in the first step, because in the first step what will happen is, we would have the addition reaction, in which and after which it would be followed by substitution reaction, elimination reaction, with the formation of a pi bond again. So we would have CS3 plus OET minus. Okay, again, as CS3-MgBr was in excess quantity, will again react on CS3-MgBr and will again attack on this carbon atom. This time we will have this as the overall compound. Will be having two substituted CS3s, and again, as we are doing this in acidic medium, again this oxygen will actually attack on, no, my bad, this oxygen will actually attack on H plus and will form a compound like product like this. Okay, let's look at third example, wherein we have this, and we perform, again we reacted with Grignard reagent in excess quantity and in acidic medium. So what will happen is, this CS3 will actually attack on this carbon atom, and we would get something like this. It's MgBr can also attach to it, it's no problem in this. Afterwards, obviously in the second step, it will again form double bond between carbon atom and itself. So for now it's not a problem or not a big deal. So again, what will happen is, this bond would be withdrawn by oxygen atom. This will be again seen as a double bond, and we have CS3 plus we have OET minus release, so MgBr would be released. Again, this as we had CS3 MgBr in excess quantity, again this will come into the picture where it will attack on this carbon atom. We would have again O minus MgBr plus, and we have two CS3 groups attached to it. Using the acidic medium, we would have something like this as our final structure. This would be the final product. Okay, so I hope you are following the examples till now. Let's look at some more examples. So here we have something like, let's suppose we have something like this. Now what will happen in this case? Again we have CS3 MgBr in excess quantity. You can take as much of this as required, and again we have acidic medium. What will happen? This will again attack on this carbon atom, will get O minus Mg plus Br. I hope you are following and you can directly see you are getting more fluent in the example practice. Again this OET minus would release itself, so we'll have something like this compound with CS3 and OET minus released. Again we have CS3 MgBr in excess quantity. The same reaction will repeat itself, despite it would only have CS3 in place of another OET. So we would have something like, again this in place, we have OET here and we have CS3 here. Again what will happen is double bond here, it will withdraw its bond, we'll have another now CS3 also, yeah, CS3 attacked on this carbon atom, so I missed to place that here. Okay, now it's fine. CS3 and we have a CS3 here, and again OET minus would be released. Now again we have CS3 MgBr in excess quantity. We can again leverage that. So how many moles of CS3 MgBr we have used till now? 3. So we have again O minus Mg plus Br and CS3, two CS3 attached. Now we have acidic medium. Finally we are moving towards forming the product. This would be the end product. Okay, so with this we come to an end of this lecture. In the next lecture we'll be seeing some more examples on the same concept. Okay, so till then, good luck and goodbye.